All right. Day 3. 7 days of bash scripting challenge. We completed day 1. We completed day 2. Yo, Suka. Let's do this. And then let's do... find period tech type D exec tech RF. There we go. Perfect. It says Bash Challenge. Yo, Nat. Some Bash Sammies. Some Bash Sammies with a free ticket on the struggle bus. I found this challenge last night when I was walking around, and it looks fun. It's just 7 days of different challenges, and we did the first 2 last night. And now we're on day 3. Bash the cracker. Yeah, exactly, Suka. We're different. Come back from the what is that word? I'm not gonna be able to think of it. Okay. Here's day 3, and we use Vim. Pin bash. New background, yes, we rotated the desk. So originally the desk was facing that way, and now we're facing this way. Alright. So a bash script that provides options for managing user accounts on the system. The script should allow users to perform various account-related tasks. And here's an example. So, trying to think through this, do I want to set a variable for user input? Yes, window draft is back. Alright, so let's do input equals blank. So let's do bash check for command line arguments. Oh, I like that. Okay. Alright. So if... because $1 would be the first CLI argument. And I can show you by doing this. So we'll go echo $1, $2, $3. chmod plus x day 3, and then we'll do day 3, and then we'll do A, B, C. And it takes those. So those are how we can. That makes more sense rather than setting a variable, because it would have to be the very first thing, so I don't think it would work otherwise. But that is good. So if tech z $1, then echo, or actually print. Do we want to use print? Printf versus echo. Is it printf or just print? Okay, how do we use printf then? So if we do printf usage, how did it want it set up? Day 3.sh options. New line. Options. Let's see how this looks. Oh, wait. We have to else echo added $1 for the first variable phi. Okay, that should be good. There we go. So if we go day 3, apples. Added apples. Cool. Why is it still printing options? Oh. We need to escape these. Like that. Like that. No. Wait. Oh, that's my bad. It's not doing the new line. Why is that? Peace, Suka. Good luck, brother. Shouldn't that do new line? That works. That does work. Why is it doing a %? Do I need to escape that? Okay, we don't, so that's fine. So we'll do options, new line, 2 spaces, text C, comma, space, tech, create. I almost want to do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Create a new user account. That looks good. Why is printf adding the percent though? Bash printf adds percent at end. Oh, it's Z shell. There's a partial line. And they're also using print, not printf. If we do tack n, that's fine, I guess. Okay, so now we get to do some Vim motions. So we'll yank it with double Y, drop down, paste. Paste, paste. Create, what were the options we needed? Delete, reset, list, help. Paste. Create, delete, reset, list, help. Okay. And then we can delete this line. And now let's do tag D. Tag R. Tag L. Tag H. So create. Delete. Reset. List. Help. Delete. On existing. This will be reset password from existing user account. And this is list all user accounts on the system. Display this help and exit. Display this help and exit. like that. If it's empty, print this. Use one or $1 equals tac H. Because if it's held, then it'll display that original message. So if we do tac H, ooh, line 10. Oh. Because all the extra quotes. Let's do search up. So we select all of them. I gotta figure out a way to once we've found it, then to remove. I mean, that should be it. And then we should be able to do. Right. Why is that not? I'm trying to get it so it can just do all of them. How do we print F? How could I start with bash? I'm 15 years old. With this. This is what I'm doing right now. We did day 1 and 2 yesterday. And now day 3. But I'm technically illiterate at the current moment. Do I have to go like that? Why is printf not like that? See, and then it grabs exit down here, but these two. Printf on new line on string with multiple lines. Bash. Yeah, but I need all this text content. to pick up, and it's not.
Every one of us is a whirlpool in the tide of existence. And we are in
Make this print the whole
every atom
print.
is in constant flux, and nothing can be pinned down.
Oh. Oh. So it's creating a new line and then continuing forward. Creating new line, 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 continuing forward. See, that works. And that counts. And that gets it. That grabs it. That does not. So we have to go like that? Yeah. I think we have to escape it. How does that grab that? Yo. Raid. Wait, why did I not get a notification? Oh shit.
My body's been bleeding for a while now, covered up with smiles. I'm wishing I could find a new view.
Damn it, Arch.
Always looking for my other shoe.
Why did I not get a notification? That's so sad. Well, welcome everybody. Happy Thursday. We're doing good. We're doing 7 days of bash scripting. And I'm already riding the struggle bus on... What if we get rid of all the syntax? Oh. I just needed a space? No, it still doesn't like that. Why can I not print F the entire... Happy Friday. Yo, Oreo. What up, brother? Yo, Ryan. Yo, Chad. Black Shell. Nixie. Who's this blue? Orbital. Orbital socket. We're chilling. We're bashing. Bash Sammys. And just... That's line 10. What if we do that? Line 8. It says it's looking for a new one. Why is that not... What am I doing wrong? What if we did this then? Well, I thought that would satisfy both of those. Bash, printf. We're doing the 7 days of bash scripting challenge. We did day 1 and 2 yesterday. And we're kicking off today with day 3, a user management tool. What did this say? What am I doing wrong? You know what? Maybe it was that the whole time. It was. Fuck. It was the if statement. Even though it was pointing down here, I thought it was this issue. This actually worked. I think I can even get away with this. No. What if we just did that? No. So it needs to be a new line, but then continue. So that's what that does, is it eliminates that extra space. Oh. This one we don't need. There we go. Okay. I want to use as little ChatGPT as possible. That was the other quote, was up here. usage day3.sh options. Boom, boom, boom. And then I want to go options. Boom, boom, boom. And then let's also tab these out. Beautiful. We just need to put that back. I don't know if that'll work or not. It does work. Beautiful. Okay. So there's our help menu. Blue pill Thursday, red pill, it's almost Friday. That's so good. Yes. Yeah, that works, Zero. But it's new line, and then it's the string break to still bring it back together. Because otherwise, if we get rid of... Is that a backslash? Or a forward slash? Backslash or forward slash? Okay, forward slash. Okay, so that's a backslash. Okay. So removing the last backslash then would gap it like this, which we don't want. Instead, we can just keep it running like that. So if we do tech H, oh wait, no, that was wrong. It says yo, which was perfect. So now we need to do an or statement. So we need to do or we need an expression, or actually $1, which is our first user input, equals tac H. There's got to be a different way to do this. If $1 equals a bash or statement inside if statement. I started scripting Python. That's what got me into computers initially. But I mean, I can write Python. I just enjoy Bash a lot more. I don't know. But Python and Bash are pretty much the two mains. And then YAML also I've used a ton of for composes and Ansible. Oh. That's the OR operator, or Perfect. Beautiful. Alright. So that is 2 sticks as ore. If one is empty, tax Z for zilch, or variable is equal to H, then that. Here's our intro statement. So now we have that. Okay. So should prompt the user to enter the new username and password. If $1 equals tax C, or there's got to be a way to put that also into one thing. We can figure out refactoring along the way, but or tac create. Then I think we have to use user mod to add an account. What think you using to display the message on your screen like from YouTube and Twitch together? Restream. Yo, Sniper, what up, brother? It is the Man in Black. Trying to move my tool over from Bash to Python drove me crazy. But it's mostly done. Yeah, I mean, Bash scripting is like... It's so useful as a utility. I mean, especially too, just like living on the command line, I feel like you could really 10x yourself if you get sweaty at Bash. It's pretty surprising how many setups are pretty much like GUI-less. It's also just less resource intensive on your computer. So I really enjoy Bash. Bash is also just fun, like, it's a flex. It's a flex language for sure. Because it's kind of random. Let's do, you know what? We're going to go even up and above, and we're going to set up a tmux session. Tmux source file. So let's do new window, and then we can that's also the one thing I want to figure out is I need to figure out tmux more as well, but as of now this will be good. So we'll switch, we can run day 3. So if it's I wanted to figure out how to create a user. User mod tech help. Allow bad names. Oh, is it really just add user? Do I have to install it? Linux tool to add users to system. User add. User add works. Okay. User add tech age. Expire date. What if we do that? Oh, look at that. Alex was made. I didn't add a password to Alex. How did it? What? Is there a default password? User add Linux default password new user. Alex is homeless. Yeah, Alex has no home. Oh, then you can just add it. So what if we do this? User add Joey tech p Joey sudo bang bang, which will rerun the previous command. So now what if we go switch user Joey Joey. Oh, that worked. We could do it with sudo. I don't have a home directory. So then if we do sudo password Joey. Joey. Now we go switch user Joey. That works. Okay, so we need to do that first. We'll go Z7 to use Oxide to get back. Okay, so user mod. What were the other requirements? Enter new username and password. Ensure the script checks whether username is available before creating the account. If the username already exists, display an appropriate message and exit gracefully. Okay. TAC M to make home directory. Okay, good note. Randonautica. That sounds interesting. Oh, well, there's honeypot, these are just my SSH connections down here. So we can do like connect to the honeypot, Proxmox server, the Pi, and then it pulls all these up. It's just easier on the way bar. But no honeypot work here. Now we're doing this 7 days of cyber challenge. So if it's create, then read tac prompt, enter new, enter new. Should this be capital? I don't think so. Enter new username. And then we'll call this username. And then watch this Vim motion. Y, Y, P, P, P. Ha. Enter new account. Password. See, Bash is cool. All the cool kids are doing Bash. And then we'll call this password 1. And we'll call this. I gotta figure that out, how to copy down password 2. What was the other thing it wanted? Username, password. That's it? Oh, I wonder if I could do password tech H. Can I do no check? Don't repeat. Or what if we did sudo password Joey pass. Password. We can't. Yeah, lazy Vim. Which I still love Nano. Oh. I'm gonna go see these guys soon. I'm pumped. Could I just do user ad for the whole thing? Oh, unencrypted password. So if we go sudo user add Steve, tac P Steve pass, tac M, right? Tac M for the home directory. What if I do sudo su Joey? It still just takes me right into it. See, why can I not? So if I go sudo password Steve. Oh, I gotta switch user Steve. That works. Switch users. Joey? I don't know what Joey's password was. I just can't do this. It probably is unencrypted, yeah. I don't want to count that though. This will actually be really helpful too for Docker. I mean, we can even get this to deploying users on the different VMs and stuff. This will be good. Dash add user with password. Okay, so we need to do yay tac s add user. All. No diffs. Really? User, right? But that is plain text. Do I need to update my mirrors? Should we add an encrypted password with user add instead of... Oh, so what if we did this? User add Tim, tag P, Tim, encrypted password to the new account, tag M, make a home directory, tag S, shell is bin bash, sudo, switch user Tim. What? How does... Add user on Arch tool. So why is this? User add. Password not working for a new user. Fuck you. Alright. So it can't be interactive. It has to be, we take the variables in and then it just creates the user. Oh, what if we have them do it for us? Like, sudo user add. It would be like this. So it'll be read P. I want to make sure this works also. Echo username. And then else. Hi. Oh, jeez, what? Missing. Where did it say that? 111? Oh. That. And then that. There we go. Steve. Cool. Okay. So then if we do tech H. Beautiful. Alright. Yo, Stooge. A doubt. What is your doubt? Is there a try and accept? Dash, try and accept. I think we should make a function. Functions. So we should go like user underscore create. And it will be username. Oh wait, what was I going with? Dash. Try and accept. Or try catch. Okay, on success and or. User create username. Let's do. So actually we can see if this is already handled for us by doing sudo user add Tim again. Beautiful. So that does handle for us. So let's do sudo user add username, and then he needs a home directory. So tac m tac s which csh s. Who has access to that? Okay, everybody. If that fails, then say echo user echo username already exists. Can you chain these? And then it would be like, if that one's successful, then exit. Let's try that. So then we'll come down here and we'll call this, so user underscore create. Username. Unexpected token. Would it be like that? Bash functions with variable. It has command status codes for no concept of exceptions. In Windows, we have reset options, and if I want to clear all my files and download the repos in Linux, click a reset. Is it possible to reset my Linux OS? A new one. I mean, I guess you could reboot from a flash drive, like a live image, and just reinstall it. Yo, Grout. Basically saving your home directory and reinstalling the distro. Some people have home on a separate partition and distro hop all the time. Yes, that is sick. That's a good idea. I don't know if I did that. I do actually. Okay, I have my home directory mounted separately from the root directory. Oh, is that what it needs? Just like that. Oh. Oh. So it calls it. So this will be. That's easy enough. So it would be user create username, like that. Oh. There we go. So if we go Joey, it worked. So now let's do create, enter accounts username, Ted. It worked. Beautiful. Okay. That's sick. All right. So if that works, then it will go down to the next one, which will take the. I could probably do this at the end. Maybe not though. How am I gonna do this? Sudo password Joey, pipe into pass. See, it goes to that. Yo, Ninak. Will that even be called? Bash send text on request. I've done this before. It's like prompt. Bash Linux. Script to submit text on bash script prompt. Or do we not even wrap that? It's see it's using user add here. But I think what we might have to do is do this. We might have to do sudo password $1. Let's see if that works. Right, and then actually we can come down here, delete this, and then we can do echo $username has been created. So let's do tac H first, right? Help, options. What are we doing? That won't return anything, so that we need to fix. But if we do tac C, enter new account name, Steve. Steve already exists. What if we want to do Fred though? Fred again. Why did that not prompt that? Did it exit? It did. So what if we go remove that, run that, Grady, 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 Grady has been created. What if we run that again? We go Grady. Grady already exists. And then those are irrelevant. We don't even need these ones. We can go boom, 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 boom. We need to somehow do, if that fails.
I've been cutting checks in 2 tones, baby. Leaving Albuquerque in a pink Mercedes. Call you up to tell you that I got big amps. So where you call
Ready that?
bring your fancy friends. I don't know how to tell you, but baby, I'm down bad.
Steve already exists. So now what if we do Alex? Alex already exists. Freddy. Fuck. It still exits. Ah. Cersei. My Linux on VMware. If I were to permanently delete all the downloaded and repos from my Linux, some would just say install Linux again, but it's that's a good point. Why would you want to delete all the repos from Linux? I would be shocked if there's not a tool out there to do a git pull on every repo directory on Linux. You could literally, actually, you could write a find command. I'm pretty sure if you did like find type file tech in name dot git. Exec git pull. Would that work? Maybe not. This is what I'm struggling on, is the logic of this. So you add it, if it fails, it already exists. Bash if command fails. Exit if success. Continue. Yeah, across the file system. The whole thing. Like if I went into cd.files, I could git pull, right? I guess we'd have to find a directory where .git. Oh, I was looking for a .git file, but it's actually a .git directory. So you need a directory with the .git directory inside of that directory. To check if a command succeeds or not, simply verify the exit status of the command using that. Here's a bash script to check if a command fails or succeeds. Ooh. LSL. If that's the last command, Checks the exit status of the recently executed ls command. If the exit status equals 0, it means the command executed successfully. Oh. Then right? Yeah. Else echo boom $1 already exists. Exiting now. Probably should not be capitalized. I can't spell. And then it's just a little bit of exit sauce. Okay, that might be. We're so close. Oh, that's just. Oh, fuck. What? Oh. Bye. Steve. Good call. Good call. Steve. Ha! Let's go. Beautiful. Already exists. Idiot. Exiting now. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, the Neovim line numbers are wonky. But I think also this is doing this so then you know how far you could jump, because you could do like, what is it? Boom 10? And you could go to, like if I wanted to go to line 18 now. But then if I want to go back up inverse and I want to go 5, I could just hit. Oh, that's true 5. Wait, that was wrong. Oh yeah, go to, where's line number? Oh. G boom 10. Oh, that works. So if I go G, comma, and let's say we want to hit this line, I think I can just type 3. Because I was already at that. So G, comma, 3 should put us down 3 again. Oh, so G, comma, negative 10. Oh. Oh shit. What did I just do? Oh shit. I just capitalized everything? I mean, does it still run? Fuck that. Using lazy vim, I accidentally made everything capital letter. How to revert. Oh wait, that worked. How to go for, oh, that's what I did. I did GU. Wait, I think we're actually good. And then I do insert phi. Steve. And then the echo command. Steve. Steve already exists. Charlie. 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 Huh. That works. That does exactly what we intended it to do. All right. Once. Will that work? Okay. Else if $1 equals tag D or $1 equals delete, then read tac, what was it? Tac P, enter, what did it say? Enter the username to delete. This is username again. And then we can go up here and we'll make a new thing and we'll call this user underscore delete, DELETE. thing. So the sudo user del $1 if the previous command status equals 0, then continue, else echo $1 does not exist. Phi. I don't know what phi is for or what the purpose is. Okay, and then we can do right here. User underscore delete. Username. Charlie. Line 16. To do this, add that, what was another one I made? Fred again? Good. User Dell, user Steve does not exist. So I don't really need to. Should I just do like a next? Would next work? Next. Command not found. It didn't like continue either. We're bashing now. Lost Vin. I bricked Ubuntu like a month and a half ago trying to do something. So and I was not really busy at work, so I was like, all right, we'll make the switch. And in terms of efficiency, I think it's a lot better because it literally is so plain, and you just build it to what you need. There's no bloat. Like, there's nothing installed that I don't use or need every day. And it's just super customizable and easy. It's a lot faster. Hyperland's really nice as well. My Hyperland config is super basic. But I really enjoy it. I'm not gonna be one of those guys that screams about bloat. But it feels faster, and like I know everything about this computer because I've installed everything. And because Yay uses, you can build stuff from scratch or from source, which is also really nice. But honestly, it's not the art, like running Arch is not, it doesn't have to be as difficult as people make it out to be. Like, if you like learning, you'll be more than fine setting up Arch. And the Arch wiki is so helpful. But I mean, it's also just encouraged like minimalism, where because I have to set up everything, I've realized how much I don't need also. Next isn't valid. Can I just do continue? Why can't I do continue? Dash continue for if statement.
You never call me, it's deceiving. The lights are this evening. Crazy when you praise the Lord, put your lips on the line and strike the chord. Crazy when you praise the Lord. A frequency so in tune. Speak softly now, my heart's in tune. Crazy when you praise the Lord, put your lips on the line and strike the chord. Crazy when you praise the Lord.
What is command? Joey. Okay, so that does work. That worked really well. Whatever command is. Maybe it's just a place filler, but that's exactly what we need. We'll just say $1 has been deleted. And then I'm pretty sure if it doesn't exist, it'll handle that for us. Yes. And then if it does exist, like Ted has been deleted.
Baby, don't you say goodbye. I'm begging,
Wait, why is it looking for that?
goodbye. I'm begging,
Oh,
I'm begging, I'm begging.
that's why. Oops.
Baby, don't you say goodbye.
Okay, and then delete.
I'm begging, I'm begging, I'm begging. Baby, don't you say goodbye. I'm begging, baby, don't you say goodbye. I'm begging, I'm begging, I'm begging, I'm begging, I'm begging.
So user create, echo, username has been created. I mean, do we want to just yank that? Oh, username has been created. And then just go that. And then we can delete that. Reset password. So then we'll drop that down again a few, and we'll go else if. Wait, actually, let's just yank this line. And then delete that. Beautiful. If one equals, look at these Vim motions. They're not much. They're not much. But there's something. Reset underscore password. Boom. For username. delete, reset underscore password. This is NeoVim. NeoVim inside of Tmux, inside of Hyperland, running on Arch. It's fucking sweaty. I think it would just be sudo password. I'm almost certain. Oh wait, here. Also, we'll yank this. This is why LazyVim is so nice, because it comes with all these plugins and stuff. Like the levels to Vim, Tmux, like these tools that are like, that have this like Mount Rushmore, on the Mount Rushmore of Linux tools, like there's so many levels to it. And LazyVim comes pre-configured with a bunch of different plugins and stuff set up, which is nice. Because trying to do Vim from scratch is like it's a career thing. Like that's not gonna happen overnight. So LazyVim gives you a nice starting point. There's also like the Chad, the Giga Chad Vim one I've seen, and there's a few other ones. But a few of the developers at my work use LazyVim and they love it. And also we were talking about yesterday, like yes, Nikto, or not Nikto, God, Nano is a lot easier to use and it's good for beginners, but you can plateau. There's a ceiling to the skill level on Nano, where Vim will take longer to get to that same level as Nano, but you will exponentially surpass that in terms of efficiency and speed. I don't have a video. I appreciate it, Aqua. I'm doing the 7 days of bash scripting challenge. A lot of the home lab though I've done on streams. A lot of the Docker stuff I've done. The TIG stack. I built some IoT stuff. So this, for example, there's, I don't know if you can see it, but there's an ESP32 sitting on top. And if we take our remote and we click it, it'll close the blinds. And then we can stop it and reverse it. And it'll open the blinds again. A lot of it though I've done almost everything on stream. If I'm doing something and I'm not streaming, I'm usually watching something or reading, or setting stuff up with passwords, which when I first started streaming the home labs, I struggled with realizing what like if I was gonna flash a password or not. So a lot of like the actual settings of the different Docker containers I've done on my own time. But other than that, everything's pretty much well, there's a bunch of different Docker containers running. I can actually pull up. See how nice is that? I can just click a button and now I'm in the Pi. And now I can do Docker compose restart. And now we can come back here. And there's our home lab. We have hacker news, streams, RSS feeds, all our different containers. I haven't logged in. But I have pretty much everything running here. So we have a few different containers going. I'm starting to have a storage issue on the Pi. But yeah, the home lab is came together over the last 3 years. A lot of it's new though. Okay. What do I want to do? Vim motions. Yank, which is a plugin not installed by default. Double click Y. If it's the password reset, then we can go paste and it'll just drop it right below. And it'll say enter the username to reset the password for. Then reset password username. Let's grab. So I think I should be able to do this. Yeah. So it'll be sudo password $1. Echo that. Has successfully reset. Else command 5. Alright, let's try this. So let's create a user. Oh, come on. Where is that? Line 47? Oh, because it doesn't need those. There we go. So create. We're going to call this test. Put in my password. The new password for them is going to be the name. Test, test, test. And if we want to reset, test, test, test. What if we want to create, enter a new account username, test? Test already exists. I don't even think we need the old password. And then we can do R, or wait, no. We want to do D. We want to delete test. Bam! User management in Bash in only 51 lines. Alright. I need to use the bathroom real quick. Happy birthday, Paneko. You like the chair? It's held together with zip ties. I'm missing an arm, but it's just more flexibility. We have rest on this side, but we do not have a full chair at home. List user accounts on the system is the next one. So, watch this. We'll go like this. Y, down. We'll yank these two. P. Bang! Yanked and pasted. Tac L for list. List. It's not gonna take this, it'll end up actually being, we can delete this line, and then we can insert a new line and say printf user accounts on the system. New line and continue. What? List all user accounts on system. Linux, list all user accounts on system. Let's see, password. Okay, so we can actually do some cutting right now. Watch this. So we'll do this. We'll do grep. Tech v. No login. Right, and then we'll do awk. Print 1. Ooh, that's actually not gonna work. We're gonna have to do this. Cut, tac D, delimiter, escape, semicolon, tac F1. We want just the names. Bam! Alright. So now we want the UID. Is this the group and then the user ID? Linux, Etsy, password, explained. It used to have passwords in it, but now it's stored in Etsy Shadow. Our user ID is the third one. So now it'll actually be, and then the fourth is the group. So it'll be tac F1, comma 4, comma 3. There it is. So we can take this string, that worked. Or actually, you know what? Instead of using the key or the mouse, we'll do tmux visual mode, hit space to start copying, Vim motions, up caret, back to here, click enter, over here, paste. Like that. Let's see if that works. So let's do day 3 tac L. Beautiful. Why did that happen though? Why is root all the way out there? Why is root all the way there? Oh! Because I don't think I have to do that. I just have to do that. What if we do that? There we go. Okay. So, and we can also see what's going on. Can I escape that and do 3? Linux cut command add text. What does complement do? As the name suggests, it complements the output. This option can be used in the combination with other options. Wait, we might be able to do something. Could we throw in an awk? What if we do like $$2 too? Is there a delimiter for awk? Tech F. There we go. So maybe we could do instead, because awk you can actually append text. So we could possibly do this $3. And then go UID equals 3. Like that. But instead, we'll have to go like this. Like that. Beautiful. Alright. Tlock space, enter copy mode, up caret. Bring it back. There's our command. Cut all that. Drop that. Paste that. That did not work. We'll want to do that. Enter. Why is it still grabbing that? There we go. And then we can go up carrot again to bring us back to the start. Actually, we can just do this, cut that line out. Let's go to the start. Let's go to insert mode and tab it. Okay, so we're still getting... to escape this. Oh, these are... And then close it all out like that. Oh, and then we have to put them all into... Boom, boom. What did it not like? Like that. There we go. And then we just need to do new line there. Ha. WB when navigating helps a lot instead of H or I. Of course, H when you're the character you want to be. W. Oh, yeah. I just usually, well, in insert mode, I do control and then trigger or keys like that. But I guess, yeah, W and that's a good one. So what? W takes you to the start. Start and end. What are the other? Ooh, nope. We don't want that. Okay, that's actually a great hint. W and E. End of word. And then W is. So W takes me to the start of the next word, E takes me to the end of that word, so W is a lot faster. think that's it. And then this, I think we can refactor these. I don't think I need two. I think there's some way to put tac D and tac delete in the same bash if variable equals tac A or tac all. What up, Pete? We're doing 7 days of bash challenge. Just send the link. It's from like 2 years ago, but it's alright. We're just grinding on bash. We're making a user management script. I'm not searching the right things. If statement, check for two possibilities. You deleted the old one? Usually you just lose the password. Oh, let's go. You've been bashing. Bash Sammys. See, yeah, can we do this? Oh. Tac O. There it is. Tac O. Create. I just had to scroll down a little bit. Okay, so I think if 1 equals tac C. Oh wait, or $1 equals create. So can we just do this? I mean, right? That works. Yeah. Yo, Nat. We're just completed the user account management script. So to demo, let's run day 3 with nothing, right? There's your options: create, delete, reset list, help. Help does this. Tac help does. Why did that not do that? Oh, because I did not do this one. Oh wait, actually we can chain all 3 of these. So we'll go tac O, if Z, if that, or $1 equals tac help. There it goes. Tac H doesn't do anything. That works. Okay. So then we can do tac L, so you can list all user accounts on the system. Then we can do tac C to create a new account. We'll call it net. Enter root password to create a new user. New password is going to be net. Retype net. net has been created. So now if we go back inside of tac L, we can do tac list. There's net. And then we can do tac D, enter username to delete, net's deleted. Go back to list, net's gone. And then we can also do tac C create, we'll do Pete, new password Pete, retype password Pete. We'll do tac R to reset the password for Pete, new password Pete1, Pete1. And now we can do switch user Pete, Pete1. And now Pete's in Archlinux. That worked really well. And our finished product there we go. We got functions in there. We got if statements. We got options. We have a shit ton of else and if and elif. And 53 lines. Now how did they do it? Oh, they put that into a function. Ooh, that's smart. But they did echo. See how long it took them? 94 lines. Oh, that's clean. Instead of doing tac O. Oh, they added comments too. Oh, they did awk. Oh, look at that. They did almost the same thing. That's funny. Cool. And they did ID for the username. They had a function to check it when we can just pull that from the same query. So that was silly because they ran two commands that one of them, the Etsy password, would have given them both. So if that's the official solution, then we crushed it in almost half the lines. This might be cool too to just expand on for Docker, which I was mentioning. And then you could get different user accounts created on different machines. Whoa. Okay. Day 3 is down. I'm gonna call that a success. That felt good. Alright, day 4. Monitor Pro, monitoring metrics. What is the actual one? Oh, alright. This is cool. We get to learn a lot about just Linux too, along with Bash. Alright, day 4. Touch. Let me touch that file. Day 4. No Diddy. What's the challenge? Process selection. Effectively monitor a specific process on a Linux system. The script's primary goal is to ensure the process is always running. If it unexpectedly stops, it should be restarted automatically. The script should access a command line argument, specify the target process to monitor. Implement a function that checks if the specified process is currently running on the system. Can I just see an example? In this example, we'll demonstrate the use of the monitor process script to monitor the Nginx. The script will check if the Nginx is running. Before proceeding, make sure you have the following. Execute the monitor process. Okay. Implement a function that checks if the specified process is currently running. The process is running. Print a message. Restarting the process is not restarted. Provide instructions on how to schedule the script to run at regular intervals in a cron job. Nope, we're not gonna do that. Notification mechanism. Oh, we can do iNotify. I'm in the wrong directory. Race conditions. Oh, that's a good point. We'll probably have to time out between checks. System CTL status degraded. Ooh. What? Oh, it's VMware. I think that's stopped. Does it want me to list services? I'm excited for the next one. So if we did like system CTL status docker. Where's that screenshot? Start with the basics. Then bash. If we'll start it like we did before. Tac Z for zilch. If nothing's there. If Z for input 1, then echo must include service. And then exit. else command fi or actually let's do this and knit right? So then we can go down here and go main and knit. $1. Before, when we started the script, we just put everything inside the else loop, where I think this might make more sense. Let's do check service. Also, what might be cool is we could use FZF where, like, let's say you're running system D and you want to check network D, but you forgot that the service starts with system D tac network D. It could do an FZF result for the closest results to your service, which might also be cool. And also just using FCF. So let's check service. Bare metal though will just be system CTL status 1. I think that might be good. And then we can do Docker. Oh, we don't call main. That's why. Is there a quieter system CTL status help? God damn it. Thank you. Let me adjust that. How? It says it's eligible for sharing revenue.